Hey guys, David-InvestQ here. And quantum computing stocks, they absolutely blew up this week, but not in the negative way, in the positive way. And with some names in the quantum space, such as D-Wave, Riggedy, INFQ Inflection, the main names that you hear about in the mainstream media, they blew up and had green days as much as 20 to even 30% or even a little more on the day. So I even believe INFQ on Thursday had a 40% gain on the day. And the crazy part is the move was triggered by a massive government catalyst involving billions of dollars, equity stakes, and America trying to dominate the future of quantum technology. So in this video, we're going to break down what just happened, why these stocks went crazy, and whether this momentum could actually continue into the upcoming week. And my name is David, again, we're here at InvestQ, and if you do enjoy the videos, please feel free to leave a like and subscribe, as I do appreciate the support, and comment below what it is you guys want to see in future upcoming videos. Now, according to the reports, IBM could receive around $1 billion, Global Foundries around $375 million, companies like D-Wave, Riggedy, and Inflection could receive around $100 million, and startup companies in the sector are also expected to benefit as well. And this immediately sent money flooding into the quantum space. And after the news dropped, specifically this article right here, you can find it on CNBC about how quantum stocks soar as U.S. plans $2 billion funding incentives and equity stakes. After that dropped, the stocks all in quantum surged, and it was pretty cool because quantum alone and all of the risk on more speculative types of stocks were the only ones that were soaring on the day, because other stocks in the semiconductor sector and everything else that's more risk on and speculative didn't have the same type of bullish momentum that quantum computing stocks did. And if you enjoy my content, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you ever need help making better decisions with investing, simply take a look at the first link below to get access to my community and support yourself with like-minded investors and get access to the world's leading AI models: Claude, Gemini, OpenAI, and Grok. Get all of this software for $7 in my community, and my community is free. D-Wave, specifically D-Wave, surged massively. If we look at how it closed on the day, and this is closing on Friday because this catalyst came out on Thursday, which is when they had a really big day. But on Friday, D-Wave, it closed the day almost 15% on the day, 14.2% to be exact. Riggedy, it closed the week at, let's check it right here, at almost 20% on the day. INFQ, they had the biggest day, I believe, out of all the other quantum stocks. They had over a 41% day on Thursday, but they closed the day on Friday at 11%. And let's check out what happened with IonQ as well. IonQ, they closed the day with over 8% gains. LAS, they closed the day with over, give it a second. Oh, okay. So they had more of a, I know for a fact that on the day they were well over 5%, somewhere between 7 to 9%, but they closed the day with a 3% gain. So pretty good as well. And this shows how sensitive that these speculative growth stocks are when it comes to bullish catalysts. Now, the next thing that I want to talk about is I want you guys to actually think why this matters in the first place. This is important because for a long time, people, they've been questioning whether quantum computing is just hype. But when you start seeing things like government funding, national security interest, semiconductor partnerships, and real infrastructure investment, that changes the conversation entirely. And the US clearly does not want to fall behind China or other countries in advanced computing technologies. And now, what I also want you guys to realize is the fact that what do we talk about on this channel all the time? Do not marry a stock, and also manage your expectations as well, because at the same time, a lot of these companies, they're not that profitable. They still burn through lots of cash, and many are years away from full-scale commercialization. So yes, the opportunity could be massive, but the volatility and risks are also just as massive. And this is personally why I've been interested in certain quantum related plays like LAES, because I like the cybersecurity and post quantum encryption angle instead of only relying on pure quantum computing hype. I think the long term winners may be the companies building the infrastructure, building the infrastructure, security, and real world applications around the quantum ecosystem. But enough of what I've been thinking. I want to know what it is you guys are thinking. So please comment below what it is you think and let me know in the comment section do you think quantum computing is the next major technology revolution? Or do you think the entire sector is still too early and overhyped? Drop your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed these fast moving market updates covering AI, defense, quantum computing, and undervalued growth stocks, make sure to subscribe to InvestQ because we're just getting started, and comment below what it is you want to see in future upcoming videos. But besides that, guys, stay safe, keep making good decisions with your long-term investments, and I'll see you on the next video.